All right, guys. All right. Alfred Montaner here, and guess what? Everything is not partying or sandbars or rib fishing and all that. We fix stuff in this channel, and we fix rib boats. So right now I'm in the process of trying to get 2 boats. Obviously, the boats that I get are not like boats like you see normally. I get like trash boats. Long story short, listen guys, so we got 2 boats that we're gonna go take a look at. We'll see how they come out. It's Novurania and a Nautica. So first I gotta go pick up the Nautica and Davy, and then from Davy I gotta go drop it back, and then I gotta go to Tampa. So it's kind of like a 4-hour drive. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. I don't know. It might not. It might work out. It might not. I don't know. Oh, we're getting here close to Tampa, people. Look at this. Nice. It's pretty nice out here. Driving. Should be getting there soon. So let's see. Listen, if I drove these 4 hours and this dinghy sucks, oh my God, we're gonna have a huge problem on YouTube. Huge problem. And there it goes, people. We're gonna do the transfer right now. Interesting story. You guys gotta listen to some of the things I learned about this. I'm 4 hours away, so I'm gonna buy this boat no matter what. So, but we had some issues. So right now we're gonna go to the ramp, and we're gonna go ahead and switch up trailers. That it's on this trailer right now, but yeah, you definitely gotta hear the story on this one. Suspense. The suspense. Here is the brand new, undisputed. We got a brand new rib restoration, people. Woo hoo hoo! Novurania. Not the ugliest fellow that I've seen out here, but you know. I know, I like them worse, to be honest with you. I like them worse. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and I don't know, I'm kind of excited about this one. I'm thinking like maybe make it look really nice. I don't know. Maybe I'd do a upholstery on this guy. I don't know. No bottom paint, you know, I don't like bottom paint. It's got a keel guard there. So, and it's kind of cold out here, so it might not be bad. So let's throw some water. Let's throw some water and let's get her cleaned up. She's got a bimini. We'll open that up now. Nice. I likes. All right, so we're gonna put air on her. Let's put some air on her. We'll see what happens with that real quick. Look at the valve that I use. That's exactly what I use. I mean, it's kind of like a cheap method, but I find it, for me, to be the easiest way of putting air in these things. See? I don't have to have the actual size of it. It's just like a little rig up. See? Now it's nice and hard. Pretty good. Okay. All right, there she goes. She's got a bimini. She has all her air in there, and I don't know. She doesn't look like she leaks. I'm kind of digging that. Well, we got this D-ring we gotta fix for this bimini, which is not done the Alfred way. That's pretty horrible, but normally we put a couple brackets on there, do it right. At this point, it's on there. It is what it is. I'm gonna leave it like that. But we'll get all this stuff cleaned up. All this, we'll get all this mildew. At some point, somebody had done some restoration on this. See this Novurania logo was redone. So somebody has done some repairs on this boat at some point. And I'll tell you, because you could see down here also. See that right there? So, but let's clean this bad boy up. All right, let's find this stuff that we need. Cleaning. We'll need one of these. We need one of these. We need one of these. And what else do we need? We need magic erasers. Where are the magic erasers? Alright, so here we go. We got Mr. Clean, we got Russ, you could get it. We got some degreaser, Clorox, we got some muriatic acid. What are we missing? I think with that we should be good. So let's look at the total. Let's see what we got.
33.10.
33, good lord, woman. All right, honey, we're back, honey. You still have air. Oh my God, there's nothing better than a boat that doesn't leak. I like this. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start chemically inducing her until she comes into a, I don't know. I just recently worked on one of these not too long ago. But the customer didn't even let me use it. He was like, give me the boat. I need the boat right now. I want to go. It's like, come on, man, let me go ahead and use it a little bit. No, I got to do a sea trial. No, sir, give me my thing. I already paid you. You got to go. Come on. Give me my boat. All right, let's get some chemicals on it. Let's start on the rub rail first. That's got all this, you know, dinghy mucus, which is called mold. And we'll try to like get that cleaned up first. Okay, first off, number one rule with Clorox. Number one rule. I know there's a lot of rules. Number one rule is we can't let my wife know. That's the number one rule. Number two rule, we can't let my wife know. She's the Clorox police, because I ruin all my clothes. So be careful ruining your clothes. No, babe, I'm wearing clothes. I've already bleached. Yeah, babe. I love my job. All right, so check out what it does. All right, so it's safe to say that just bleach alone has done a huge, drastic difference already. We haven't used the magic eraser, we haven't used any degreaser, we haven't done anything other than just spray Clorox bleach. So maybe some of you guys are not here in the States. The bottom is not too bad. All right, time to hit her up with some pH, higher pH, which is now gonna be degreaser. So we're putting some degreaser on her now, and then we'll start getting some magic eraser on her to scrub her out real nice, and then we'll start doing the inside deck and all that good stuff with a couple of the acids. Mr. Clean, baby, let's do this. All right, well, it's not too terrible, and we'll see. We still have a little bit of staining from the mildew, so we're gonna have to put like a second coat without damaging the hypalon, because it will hurt it a little bit, especially older hypalon. If it's newer hypalon, not as much, but older hypalon is definitely it will hurt it. But like I said, there's trade-offs. It's not like I'm gonna use this every single day. All right, so we got a pretty nasty little rub here. Let's see if it does anything. Oh my God, it's like gone in a second. God, magic eraser for the win. Once again, the eraser is the MVP. There you go. It's done. Alright, so we already hit up the tubes. We're using some of this degreaser to clean the inside. We're going to scrub it out now real nice. Fiberglass doesn't look too bad. They had some holes in certain areas. I don't know what it's for, but you know, sometimes it is what it is. So, nasty little crack there. It's kind of common with these Novuranias. They should have made them a little bit thicker in the seating area. What happens sometimes is when you're in them and it's really bad weather, it kind of like goes up and down and it pinches the back of your leg. Oh my God, and it's so annoying. Le brush. People, I didn't say it was easy. That sun's coming back up. I think I'm gonna put that bimini back on. No bimini. Alright guys, so inside's looking real nice. Gotta still work it a little bit more, but this boat looks good, man. Considering the way it was looking, look at this. Beautiful, right? I would say so. I don't know. And there you have it, people. Look at this. Look at this. Ay, Dios mío, let me tell you something. This is a beautiful boat. I saw this boat and I was like, oh my God, it needs my love. It needs my love, guys. There you go. I just want to keep on doing this so you guys can see that you can do the same thing. I've given you the blueprint, people. I've given you the... I'm not a hater, bro. I'm far from a hater. Now, I'm actually teaching you this stuff and it's making it harder for me to find these boats. But that's fine. I'd rather you have a bunch of rib boats. That's the goal here on this channel. We want rib boats all over the world. Look at this. Man, that is one nice rib. Guys, Novurania, next step. I'm going to go ahead and power this bad boy. I don't know if I'm going to do a 50 or a 60, but definitely looking nice. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Check out the playlist for my rib restorations. And last but not least, PewDiePie, get ready, bro. I'm going to give you a smackdown, PewDiePie. 984 subscribers deep, and we're doing this.